Hello everybody, today in front of me I have HONOR Magic4 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to open up the General Settings app, scroll all the way down and go for the System and Updates, Languages and Input. In here open up the settings for the default keyboard of yours. Usually it's going to be the Microsoft Swift key keyboard. And at the settings you want to head straight for the layout and keys, and in here simply turn on the number row toggle, and as you will see now, that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the separate number line at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.